Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing video to share with you guys. Just an unboxing, not a review today. We have two new knives from Kansept. One of them I don't know what it is. The other one I definitely know what it is. And it's not typical at all for Kansept. So I'm actually really excited to get into this. It's also, it's heavy. I'm really excited to get into this one. I haven't opened either of these up yet. I'm going to save that so that you guys can enjoy this with me. Thanks so much to my patrons for supporting me. These are both available. I'm going to start off with whatever the mystery one is. Both of them are available. I'll have them linked in the description so that you guys can check them out. It does help my channel when you use those links, but that's entirely up to you. So the first one here is called the Vivid DLC. Wait, Mirror DLC. I do remember this. For real? You guys mirror polished DLC? Wow. Well, this is shaping up to be, maybe I'm opening up the more spectacular one first. CBMS 35EN Blackwash Titanium with Purple Haze Fat Carbon. The Vivid. Okay. Expectations are high. Omega Springs. Extra ones. Fine. Let's see if they really did it. Sorry, I bumped the camera there. What do we have here? It certainly is shiny. Now, whenever I read mirror polished, I take that with a grain of salt. I'm not going to be mad if it's not truly mirror finished, right? It's just, depending on who you ask, mirror finish means like somebody cleaned your mirror with spit and then instead of Windex. Like, it's still shiny, but it's you should have used Windex. Sometimes a mirror means like literal glass, you know, like some of the mirror polish customs that I have, actual mirror polishing. So let's take a look and see what we've got here. It's real nice. It's real nice. I'm not going to fault him for, I don't think what we have here is a true mirror, but it is definitely nice. Let's wipe the oil off and take a look and see where we're at. So this is almost identical to, I don't know, it might be a little better. This looks real nice. And we can get it perfect, right? We could probably actually use Windex, but this is very similar to like the Militaw DLC. It's really, really nice. It's definitely a higher polish or a more premium polish than what you'd see with like a satin DLC. And it is very reflective, but you see what I mean? It's like somebody spit on a mirror. It's fine. That's kind of a mean way to put it, I guess. Ooh, very nice though here. That feels very good. Kansept, if this is a new finish, and this is the implication here is that you're going to be doing this regularly, I think that's wonderful. I love that. DLC, if you are new, is probably, unless there are coatings that I don't know about, probably the toughest coating that you can get on a pocket knife. These are insanely scratch resistant, not scratch proof, but scratch resistant coatings. And they also improve corrosion resistance. And in my opinion, they look super cool. So this is definitely a premium finish. And the fact that we can get this nowadays for what I'm going to guess is a pretty reasonable price. Actually, you know, the combination of this looks really good. And ergonomic. Oh, is this a Lundquist design? Sorry, I started 3 different conversations there. Yeah, Lundquist. Okay. But yeah, this is good. I would imagine that you know, given Kansept's pricing in the past, that this is pretty, it's going to be a reasonable price, right? Don't expect it to be $150, because this is still pricey to do, but yeah. So these Omega Springs are definitely on the weaker side. If you like higher tension Omega Springs, you will not like this. But I'm going to guess that's what these are. These are the high tension ones. So if this doesn't do it for you, you just put those bad boys in there, right? That's cool. Not what I would call mirror. I think you guys should change it to high polish, because that's what this is. A really, really nice high polish finish. You can see me, but not perfectly, right? So yeah, that's nice though. I do like that. That's very cool. I hope you guys continue to do that in the future. I think that'll really spice up a lot of future models. Now this next one here, this is noticeably heavier. And hold on. When I was younger, I used to pronounce this word. What is this? Did the other box have that on there? I don't know. Apparently, it's called the Superhawk, which is a pretty badass name for a pocket knife. I like that a lot. The designer is Leviathan. I used to say Leviathan. And I think biblically, there's even another pronunciation or two. I have no idea. So I'm going to say Leviathan. Stonewash CPM S35EN, bronze anodized titanium with holes. 3.9-inch blade. This is going to be a larger than normal knife for Kansept. Not counting the corded XL. But, oh yeah, it's so big. Oh, it's even bigger than I thought it was going to be. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is cool. You know what this makes me think of? This makes me think of Direware. Oh boy. Oh boy. I like this for the dumbest reasons. Oh, the dumbest part of my brain is lighting up. Oh man. And that's saying something, because I would say, you know, a large percentage of what makes Metal Complex ticks, obviously, what makes Metal Complex tick, right, is not what most would refer to as intelligent. So this is really tickling my fancy, so to speak. Oh boy. Oh yes. Oh yes. This is so stupid. I love this. I love stuff like this. Oh, so cool. Oh man. No, man, this is so cool. Wait a minute. Warhawk. That's why this looks so familiar. Warhawk knives. I wondered what happened to you. Yo, I talked with you years ago, and I was like, I want to have a custom made. And you're like, okay. And then you never talked to me again. But now you have a production knife. That's so cool. I'm happy with this. We don't have to do the custom, right? I'm happy with this. But I'm so happy to see that you're still here. I feel like I just ran into a friend in another state and that I hadn't seen since grade school. That's what this feels like. And then being excited. But obviously this is an inanimate object. It can't show joy for me. I have no idea, right? But that's why this looks so familiar. It's not a Direware. It's from Warhawk Knives. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. So cool. I love this. I love this. This does not feel like a Kansept knife at all. And I mean that in a good way, and also in a way that is not a slight against Kansept. If you've handled a lot of Kansept knives, they have a distinct feel. It's a good feel, but it's Kansept, right? This is so big. It's so different from what they normally release. This feels amazing. This is wild. I love this. Oh, I'm keeping this. I'm keeping it. I don't keep a lot of Kansepts, but I'm keeping this one. I have always wondered. It's not an incredibly thick blade. Man, the flipping action, the D10 is heavy. Hold on. Yeah. Can you reverse flick it? God! I can't. No. That is the worst feeling. That feels like losing a sneeze. That feels like the build-up to what you feel like is going to be the most amazing facial release, and then losing it, right? It almost feels like somebody died. To not be able to overpower I almost did it. I almost cut myself there too. I got to get real low. Okay, I can, but it's not very satisfying. But not being able to overpower the D10 on a reverse flick feels like losing the most joyful sneeze. Yeah, this is awesome. This is so cool. Oh man. Obviously, probably not going to be the most. I don't know. I mean, this is more of a fun knife for a lot of people, because you're sacrificing a lot of like just general convenience. This is a lot to dedicate to. Let's put it that way. I think Nick Shabazz used to say something like that. It's a lot to commit to. You're committing to a lot of knife, and you're getting an okay edge that's in a non, like it's a hawk bill chopper kind of thing. But hey, still plenty functional, right? And just cool for the cool factor alone. Yeah, awesome. Big, very almost Praetorian style pocket clip. We have a steel lock bar insert with over treble stop. This is a very high tension lock bar. And we have the relief on the inside, which is fine. Some people really like that. I wish that this was knocked down a bit more. That's just a hard 90-degree ledge, but it is cut out a little bit on this side, so it's not pinchy, it's just sharp, right? Big old whopper, man. Okay, this was fun. I thought this was going to be smaller. I thought it was going to be like this. I had no idea. What's the measurement on this thing? God. Oh, man. Okay, hold on. I'm trying to get to the tip. We'll just go diagonally like that. That's a 9.5-inch folder. If we were to, yeah, it is. That's a 9.5-inch knife. The blade length is 4 inches, and the cutting edge is about 3.6. Wowzers. What a big old honkin' boy. I do like that. That is fun. Let's weigh both of these so that you guys know what you're getting into. How and why? The outside, what you're not, it's right in front of me. It's just because there's so much stuff everywhere. But it shouldn't be possible to lose anything in this small space that I occupy down here. Okay, unsurprisingly, that's a 9.5 ounce folder. How much does this guy weigh? 3.8, unsurprisingly. Okay, this was really fun. Both of these knives will get reviews. I can't wait to carry this one. That'll be fun. Okay, hey, good to see Warhawk knives still around, and awesome that you guys are doing a Kansept collaboration. That's going to be it today. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on the Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.